Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to cook for you guys. I made some homemade sloppy joes and some tater tots, guys. And for drink, we're having an ice cold Dr. Pepper. Let's get this video started. Alright, let's go over here. I have the microphone right here so we can have some really good ASMR sound of the Dr. Pepper. You guys hear that? Hope so. Yeah, I'm trying a new experience with my microphone because when I put on my shirt, I go like this, and it just, you can't hear the sound very well. So if I have it on the plate, I'm gonna try this one experiment. Not sure if it'll be better or worse, but it's always good to try new things, right, guys? And that's so good. I haven't had Dr. Pepper in so long. Oh my god. Alright. Let's try this first. So I toasted the buns, and I was looking at some recipes on how to make sloppy joes because I haven't made them in a while. And I made when I made sloppy joes before, I just made different recipes on YouTube or online. I did find this one on YouTube, but I didn't have all the ingredients, all the spices, but I didn't have mustard, but I did taste it, and it tastes amazing. And so I toasted a bun with butter. I haven't done that before on sloppy joes, so I think it'd be really good. So the bun's really crusty, guys. Take a look. All right, let's give it a try. It's also very cheesy. Everything's coming apart. It's really good though. Wow. That's excellent. And the bun is so crispy and buttery. Oh, I love it. It's so good. I've been wanting to make this meal for you guys for a while. Sloppy joes and tater tots. I think it's like a perfect combination. Of course, you can't have tater tots without ketchup. As Simon eats, we'll tell you. All right, let's try this out. Yummy. So good. I won't believe how good it is. It's like almost 10 p.m. right now. It's so late. Oh my god. You guys can't see the ketchup, what I'm doing right here. I'll go like that, maybe it's better. Mmm. I'm not sure I'm gonna eat all the tater tots because there's a lot in here, but I just thought it'd be good for presentation. So I have some good news, kind of good news, kind of surprising good news. Somebody, when I was working at my cashier job, somebody was like, "Hey, I know you." I'm like, "Really?" "Yeah, Karebear." So somebody recognized me at my cashier job from YouTube. So that's 2 people that recognized me. One was Joel, the guy at Taco Bell, and then there was a girl. I don't think she I'm not sure if she watches my food video. Something about, she was talking about like doesn't like to hear crunchy things or something. But I know she likes to watch. I know she was really interested in my apartment, and she even wrote me a private message on Instagram, and she told me and she asked me how to get an apartment because she was looking for an apartment in the Bay Area at a very reasonable price. It's very hard to find a good apartment in the Bay Area. I felt really grateful for what I have. It's in a good location, what I want, and it's a pretty good area. I mean, it's a good location, good area. It's also a good price because I don't have to pay for PG&E. I think $1,400 a month in this area is a steal, in my opinion, especially for the good area. You know, I can get a 1-bedroom apartment for $1,500 in a bad area. So, in the ghetto. But yeah, so she was really cool. So yeah, it was really cool to see her, and we talked for a few minutes. I think she wanted to start a YouTube channel. So if you're watching, forgot your name, but shout out to you. If you guys ever make this, make it crusty and buttery. I've never done like the buttery crust before. That's really good. So good. Oh my god. So I was talking to one of my coworkers and talking about like online dating, and she recommended this app called Tagged, Tagged. I don't know if you guys ever heard of it. She thought I would really be interested in it because apparently this is a dating app, and you can live stream. And she says you can even like make money off of it. She says her sister made $500 already. I guess if you go online or you stream, you can make good money. So I was kind of like researching that. I'm like, I wonder if you can. So I found this video on YouTube. They said you can make $1,000 a month, but you have to stream it at least 6 hours a day, at least. And she recommended like a little in the morning, a little at night, not just all 6 hours straight. And it'll be pretty good money. I don't think I have time for 6 hours a day, but something I might be interested in. I already installed the app. So I already installed the app, and I did a little profile. I got some requests from guys that just seem a little inappropriate, and I don't know if, and I did research this app, and from YouTube I saw a few reviews, one from a guy, one from a woman, and they both said the people they talked to weren't, the best quality people, kind of shady or something like that. So I don't know a lot about the app, but and a lot of people want to be my friend, and they live far away. They don't even live in California, so that's kind of weird. But I don't know a lot about it. But I did go live. I was like, I want to go on lunch and go live, and they were like saying, how to make really good money if you do a live stream on this app is do something that you you know well, or know, you know, like creative, like singing, you can dance, tell jokes. And I was like, I don't know any of that stuff, but what I could do is eat or cook. So it's an idea. I don't know if I'm gonna, you know, be successful at it, or it might be a bomb. But let me know if you guys heard of this app called Tagged. And my coworker thought I would really like it because I do YouTube videos and I go live, so she thought, oh, it would be really good for me. So I don't know. It's so good. Even though I didn't use all their ingredients, the flavor is really good in there. So I would recommend, if you want to make this, make it. I think it's really good. So that's update on me. Not much going on. Just I was really tired this week, but today I had a lot more energy than I did last week, so that's good. Do you guys remember that video I did in Napa? I had this big plate of meaty pasta. Somebody, a subscriber on Instagram, she wanted me to go back. I mentioned this pizza. Actually, I should go back and do the pizza because I think that's what they specialize in. It's called, I forgot what it's called, something Grotto Napa. So now, since I don't have to work on Saturday and Sunday until 5 p.m., I could easily go to Napa and do a video for you guys. Wouldn't that be great? And I could do that pizza. I don't think I've ever done a pizza like at a restaurant. That'd be really cool. So yeah, and I was thinking if I go to Napa, I would just treat myself to a massage, and then after my massage, I'll probably do a pizza video in Napa. I'll try this little ketchup. It's good with ketchup, but it doesn't need it. It's better by itself without ketchup. Yeah. But yeah, these are really good. I want to make burgers like this. Butter the bun. Best sloppy joes I've ever had. I'm not lying. I'm dead serious. I'm being for real here. Well, guys, that was freaking amazing. Oh my god, I loved it so much. Best meal ever. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.